Alright guys, welcome back. We're fishing the Bassmaster Championship here at Lake Chickamauga. And today's day one. Came to my first spot. I got a plan going in today, so I'm gonna really stick hard to it. I don't know if I should change up because of course conditions just changed. The last few days we had freezing temperatures. It was like in the 20s or something like that. And then of course today it's warmer and we got rain. And tomorrow's supposed to be really warm. These fish can be doing whatever, so gonna just run my game plan and hopefully run into a couple and then get off this ramp and run to the next spot and just see if I can get more bites over there. Gonna try to look for some pre-spawners, some fish that are moving in, some new fish, and see if I can catch a few of those real quick in the morning and then run to my next spot. But other than that, that's the game plan. I don't know if I should change it because the conditions change or stick to my game plan, but from what it's looking like, if we have to, we'll just abandon all that and just go and just beat the bank and fish shallow. But from what I see on the ramp, the water's kind of coming up a little bit. That's going to change up the bite a lot. So pretty much all our practice might just be out the window. Who knows? But stay tuned, guys, and we'll see if we get on them today. Alright, it looks like I got to my spot first, so I'm good. I was wondering if I was going to have to race somebody here. Alright guys, 7:30 lines in. We are fishing the Bassmaster National Championship here at Lake Chickamauga. Definitely the biggest tournament I've competed in so far, with first place paying out to 20K. So launches at 7, lines in at 7:30, lines out is at 3:30. And photos submitted before 4 p.m. But just gonna go and try to have some fun today. Conditions just keep changing, so let's see if we can find some fish. Only got ourselves one. Keeping them warm. Took a little longer, but got one. It's funny because I didn't catch it here during practice. There's little 14. I'll take anything right now. Alright guys, keeping them warm. Number 2. Alright guys, keeping them 2. Started here, didn't get a bite, came back, got bit right away, but it's not a big one. It is a keeper though. Did just come here to get a limit. but it doesn't seem like that's the case today. 12-incher. Alright guys, 12 and a half. There's another bite. Number 4. South Shore fish are biting, but they're small. Alright guys, 14 inches. Better run back inside a little bit where I caught those 2. Fish real quick, fish that point again, and then we're just gonna run in. I do apologize, I'd like to record more, but I don't got enough batteries for today because since it's raining, I usually record with the medium mod and have a battery pack for that, but I don't want to risk using that on a rainy day and ruin my GoPro or something, so try to get whatever footage I could for you guys. Alright guys, so what I'm doing is I'm just fishing these ledges, and I'm trying to just get a limit on these ledges and then run shallow. I'll run areas that are much more shallower, but I've actually been coming today in like 10 to 20 feet, and yeah, I just had to really risk it here and try to get a limit. I think getting a limit is really important. You know, during practice I felt like I was gonna be able to catch more fish in this area, but oh, I got a bite right there. There we go. Guess just have to come back later. I'll be biting again. I'll be a better fish. Oh yeah, it's a better fish. Thank you. Number 5. Yeah, just sit on these ledges. Come back and forth. It's funny because during practice they bite it like right away. Wow, that's a pretty unique fish. Look at that black mark on top. Really pretty fish. It's the first time I caught one like that. See that? Oh, black on the tail too. Pretty fish. One of a kind, that's for sure. Alright guys, that's a good keeper. 17 inches. Yeah, so I've just been ledge fishing, and I was actually surprised with the size of that one because I think there's actually smaller fish on these ledges. But that's a good pre-spawn female sitting out here. I fished here in the morning, caught 2, and then it stopped biting, left, caught one somewhere else where I first started, and then ran all the way to the main, the point by the main, and then caught one over there. No other bites. Came back over here, caught one on the first cast back on this ledge. Just dragging this little light Carolina rig. Oh, spent a good amount of time on that spot, man. No more bites. So we're gonna pull on this real quick, and then we're gonna make a long run back to the car. But let's see. Come on, let there be one more fish. Oh, came off. Oh, right under my boat. Oh, 12 inch right back here. Nope, it's gonna be exactly 12 inches. That's a fish. Where are the big ones at? Little keeper. Alright, it's time to make that run. Alright guys, a little midday update. We got 5, but as you've seen, we loaded up and we made a run all the way over here. What it cost me about an hour and 20 minutes to make this run, so I loaded up and drove to another ramp. I got bit out here in the afternoon during practice, so here I am. Made this run all the way over here. First part was successful. We got a limit, which one I wanted. I wanted to get a limit there and then come over here and finish off the day over here. But yeah, it's just been kind of tough. It's just been a slow grind for me. Just gonna keep grinding away. We got about 3 hours left to catch some fish, so stay tuned guys. There we go, first cast iron. Oh no. Got it this time. There it is. It's a good one. That's a good fish right there. Come on, just give up, buddy. Oh, he's hooked good. All right. It's a good call to run all the way over here. You know what these are? These are those tournament release fish. They have a few tournaments that come out of here. Just the other day we came practice. And that Saturday, I believe. That Sunday, they had a tournament out here. That's a good one. That's 17 and a half right there. No, 18. Big old head on that thing. Nice Florida. Let's get the fish. Did the first time and I missed it. He had me in those trees. Alright guys, that's a good call. 17 and a half. It gets rid of my 12-incher. What this is that I'm fishing, it's actually a ledge. The channel swings around against that wall and it comes around here, and then it forms a ledge around here. So it swings around, and then on this edges and on that ledge there's a bunch of wood, and this is both standing and fallen timber. So I'm just dragging this through this, and the top of it's about maybe 6 feet, 7 feet, and then it kind of drops down to 20 feet over here. But on the way down there's some fallen timber. So the Carolina rig is really good when you're dragging through timber. And these are those fish that aren't really ready to move up yet to spawn. So these are your pre-spawners. You know, once the temperature is right, all they got to do is just go to the bank. The bank's right there. Or even they may spawn out here because there are some really shallow humps out here that go up to about 3 feet. See, I found the wood. Oh, here we go. Oh gosh, I was thinking about using a spin rod. That's a decent one. That's what I call. Ah, shit. So 14, 15. Ooh, look at that. Skin hooked. Almost lost it with that funky hook set right there. Alright guys, 14.75. Hot, huh? Weird. Little keeper. There's a bite. Got him. I mean, in the trees. Come on now. Dragging these wheels sucks. Alright, that's a fatty. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. That's one of them Lake Chickamauga pigs, man. Hiding in those trees. Look at that. That's a 5-pounder. Gotta be 19. Look at the belly on that thing. Big old fish. Alright guys, that's a good fish. 19 and a half. That's gotta be a 5-pounder right there. Thank you, buddy. Good to go. Good to go. Another bite. Oh, get out. Ooh, came right out too. Long one. Alright guys, 14.75. Another bite. Oh gosh, that's cool. 3 casts, 3 bites. Don't do that to me. a good one. 17.75. Man, it's been like this every day. The bike just seems to get better as the water temp hits its peak for its day. It's another bite. It's 4 casts, 4 bites. Oh, no! Ah, that broke off. Broke off. You gotta be kidding me. I lost that fish, but it's my fault. Should have retied. I'm fishing these trees. I know better than that. I should always retie to catching a good one. But oh well. There we go. There we go. No, maybe it's happy. Yes, 14.5. It's another bite. I was smaller than that. Yes, he's gonna help. guys, 16 and a quarter. I did okay. I did okay. Everybody else smashed it today, huh? Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up for day one of Bassmaster Kayak Championship here at Lake Chickamauga. Kind of recap of what I did was I had planned to launch at Dallas Bay or Chester Frost and fish the early morning there because I felt like I can get a limit there. So that's what I did. I ran there first thing in the morning and tried to get a quick limit. It took me a little longer to get a limit. Fish were biting in spots where I did not catch them during practice. So, and these are your pre-spawn fish that are coming in from the main channel. I felt like those fish will reload up. I'm not sure what size they are, but I felt like I can get keepers there. You know, considering how tough the bite is here, it's hard to find areas where you can get bit. So I ran there, took a gamble, and tried to get a limit and get that off my chest early. But that went pretty well. You know, we didn't spend too much time there. We left the place kind of early and ran to the other ramp. Those fish that I had found there, they were more of afternoon fish, and they didn't start turning on until once the water temp started getting really high up there. So that's what I went after, and you know, we got areas where we got a few bites. So tomorrow what we're gonna do is we're gonna just go gamble it all and start off at our second location and, you know, just grind it out there and rotate locations there, and hopefully we get a limit, right? But stay tuned for day 2, guys.